back for y'all, you know. Let's do another pull right here. Alright, that was kind of sketch, but like I said, I'm back with another video for y'all, and today is gonna be an exhaust setup video. The best exhaust setup for your Hemi. If you want it loud, if you like that nonsense, you feel me? Nah, I'm just playing. But yeah, this is a very loud setup. If you're in Cali, I wouldn't recommend. I'm gonna let y'all know what I have done for my exhaust setup and give y'all like the websites and everything, because there's been multiple people that asked me about my exhaust setup, like I said on my last video, and I tell them all the time, and they be like, oh, I can't find the website, I can't find the website for the headers. And you know, I send them the website or whatever. So from now on, I'm gonna put the website on this video, and every time they ask, I'm gonna point them to the video and be like, watch this video, bro. And that's my whole exhaust setup. But yeah, this exhaust setup is crazy, bro. It's like very loud. I'll show y'all right now. I'm not gonna do a pull or nothing, because there be cops right here on the street. Cause y'all can hear that, bro. It's loud, it's dumb loud.
Not gonna do a pull or nothing, cause there be cops right here on the street.
Oh my God, I know y'all seen that cop right there. I know y'all seen him. Ah, my heart dropped to my ass, bro. Jesus Christ. I put down my phone so quick, bruh. You don't understand. These cops out here in Cali will state refuge, bruh. Put down my phone so quick. I brake so quick too. No, I'm just playing, but thankfully he didn't turn around, bruh. But I'm gonna keep getting these little clips for y'all could hear how this exhaust setup sound like. Hopefully right there is good. We'll get some little clips. Hopefully y'all can hear. Car in front of me, bro, just staring at me through his side mirror. With this exhaust setup, I do get a lot of attention. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's not a good thing, it's a bad thing, you know, but some people don't like it, some people do. It is what it is, though. Extremely loud, bro. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but yeah, it's extremely loud. rawness right there. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna give y'all my exhaust setup. Look, this is why my car's never clean, bro. I know some of y'all gonna say just chop the tree. It's a mission to chop this tree, so that's why we haven't cut it. But yeah, as you can tell, we got guayabas for free. Come get some if you want. Literally. All right, enough of that. All right, I'm gonna show y'all my exhaust setup. So as you can see down there, I don't know if you can see. Let's see the other side. Hopefully you see them. We do have long tube headers on this Hemi. The type of headers we got are 1 7/8. I got them from Cook's Exhaust. Pop it up right here, right there. All right, so yeah, I did get them from Cook Exhaust. Well, they're from Cook Exhaust. I got my long tube headers from Facebook Marketplace. I came up on them. It was a steal, so I had to go pick them up. I did do a 3-hour drive for those headers, so it was whatever. Took a long drive, but still won. Got some headers that usually cost like $1,000 something. I think I got them for like $800. Not sure, but it was a steal, so I had to come up on them. But yeah, we got 1 7/8 long tube headers, and from the 1 7/8 long tube headers, we are running a mid pipe. All right, those are the headers. Then a little lower, I don't know if you can see the mid pipes. I am not gonna lay on the ground just to show y'all, my bad, but I'm not laying on that dirty ground right now. But yeah, we got mid pipes. The mid pipes are 3 inches. I should have went with 2 inches. Someone had told me I should have went with 2 inches, because when you do your exhaust and you're trying to make horsepower, bro, the exhaust plays part of it as well. So don't count out your exhaust. So don't, like, as soon as you get your Dodge, Challenger, Durango, whatever you got, don't just go ahead and chop off the mufflers just because you want it loud. You know, you might need those mufflers, so keep them on for now until you get like your long tube header set up. Don't just go cutting off your mufflers. It's a bad thing. I'm telling y'all that because I learned from experience. I cut off my mid mufflers, and they're telling me you should not have cut off your mid mufflers because that's what like gives it back pressure, you feel me? So as of right now, we don't have mid mufflers. We got the 3-inch pipe, the 3-inch mid pipe. So my headers and my mid pipe setup is from Cook Exhaust. I'll put the link down in the description for y'all could go cop if y'all want. Those ran me, the mid pipes ran me like $1,000 and some change. Yeah, $1,000 and some change. And the headers ran me $800 just because I got them from Facebook Market. But on Cook's website, they're like about another $1,000 and some change. So that's already like $2,000, close to $3,000. So yeah, man, it gets pretty expensive with these cars. Yeah, moving on. Like I said, I do not have mid mufflers, obviously. I had cut them off once I got the car. But in the back, we do have the resonators on. And resonators, if y'all don't know what those are the back mufflers. Those are the back mufflers. I have to say back mufflers because some people don't know what resonators are. But yeah, we stayed with the back mufflers again due to back pressure. So I did not cut those off. I don't think I'm planning on cutting them off. If anything, I do want to change the tips. I don't know the exact brand. I'll put it right here on the screen as well. But yeah, those tips I want to put on this car. They'll look pretty nice. I know they look nice, so I do want some of those. But yeah, that's the exhaust setup that I'm running right now. You could run no cat, so if you're still stuck and you want it loud, you could go no cats, but you know, it stinks like very bad, and it stinks up your car. Same thing with the headers, so it really doesn't matter. So that's probably like the only downside. Oh, and the another downside with the long tube headers, and or if you're going no cats, your check engine light will come on unless you get it tuned and your tuner removes the check engine light. My previous setup that I had when I didn't have the long tube headers was obviously OEM headers. The cats, I had chopped off the cats, and it was very loud. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it was very loud. You would just have to find a shop that could do that, because not a lot of shops do that because they don't want to get in trouble, I guess. So yeah, you gotta find a shop that could do that for you. They charge like they charged me $300. I don't know where you go, they'll probably charge more or less. But yeah, I had OEM headers, no cats, no mid mufflers, and just the resonators. Like I said, that was my old setup before I got the headers, and it was loud, but it's not as loud as, you know, long tube headers with mid pipes. This setup is like extremely loud. On a scale of 1 to 10, it's like a 9.5, or if not a 10, bruh. I've ran a Corvette before. I know I wasn't gonna win, you know. I was just racing just for the F of it, you know. Just wanted some fun. No, I do not have the video. I cannot post it. I wasn't recording. I was on my way to a meet. That's where we're going. And your boy got gapped. I ran the Corvette, like I was saying, and I had them in the beginning, and obviously my like exhaust was like screaming in his ear, bro. It was funny. We came to a light, and he was like, bro, your exhaust is like, your car's very loud, bro. I'm like, I just started laughing at him because he was like covering his ears. But yeah, this setup is very, very loud. If you're in Cali, if you're gonna do it, I say be careful. You could get stay reffed, you know. But if you're anywhere else, go ahead, bro. This setup is clean. The setup is clean. I'm letting you know right now. All right, now I'm gonna talk about like the check engine part. Like I said, bro, the plan. I did tell y'all that the check engine light comes on. I'll show y'all. Your check engine light is gonna come on if you cut off your cats or you have mid pipes. And like I said, the only way you can remove that is if you tell your tuner to tune it and remove it or whatever. That's the only way you can remove it, unless you get like a OBD2 scanner thing. If you have one laying around, you could plug it in yourself and remove it yourself. That's another way you could do that. But keep in mind, you're gonna be like consistently doing it, because you could erase it and it'll come back, and then you're just gonna have to be back and forth. That's if that really bothers you. It doesn't bother me, so that's why it's still there. In the beginning, it was bothering me. I told my tuner to remove it like twice already. He removed it, but it just kept coming back, you know. So I was just like, F it, you know. Just be careful with that. But I'm gonna give you a little warm start. It's been sitting for like 2-3 hours, but I'll give you a little some for y'all could hear what it sounds like. Oh, keep in mind, I am cammed. If some of y'all don't know, I am cam stage 2. If y'all want to know more about that, leave a comment and I'll make a video on that as well. But I'll give you a little startup. Now, another thing that's like not that good about it is that this remote start thing does not work. Well, it works, but it'll cut off the car like after, I want to say like 10 seconds, 7 seconds. I'm not sure, but it'll cut off the car. And that's because the check engine light. So my remote's not working right now, so I'll see if I could try. See if I could get it to work. Oh yeah, there you go. It turns off. That's probably like the only bad thing as well, but other than that, it's cool. That's my exhaust setup right now, but if I do change it up, obviously I'm gonna post it, let y'all know everything. If y'all like the video, bruh, or y'all got any helpful information out this video, bruh, or if y'all were lost trying to find an exhaust setup, bruh, all of the above, make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on that posty notification, you feel me? And I'll see y'all on the next banger. Deuce.